So, question number 3, Dustin Brewer, Zephyr Drone Simulator, a division of Little Arm Studios. And honestly, the most underrated UAV use case, I think, is going to be wildlife management. I've had a couple good conversations, and I think agriculture is something that we are starting to be faced with again and again as our climate is going through its cycles, and we're noticing that there's a bit of a shift in wildlife management. And if we can do that while, we're not having to rely on tracking, tagging, we can fly drones in order to capture some of this data about migration, helping to prevent things like chronic wasting disease or even invasive species like feral hog. If we can adapt drone simulation in and of itself, just speaking purely from our side of things, I think we're going to be able to have better utility out in the field so that these drone pilots will have a better opportunity to set up and collect good data in order to make better decisions moving forward in the agriculture sector.